here. Come here. It's okay, Pumpkin. What you think? Hi. What do you think? I don't know whether to use bare hands with you yet or not. Yeah, come here. Hi, honey. I really don't want you by my face. I really don't want you by my face. It's okay. Are you worried? Are you worried? Don't be worried. Come here. Have you been missing people? Have you? Oh, goodness. Goodness. Yeah. Should we get you some toys? Get you some toys? Yeah. What do you think? You thirsty? Look at. There you go. Oh, let's just spit it out. Yeah. What did you get? Huh? What did you get? What don't you get? You get into everything. Hi, pretty girl. Good. Good girl. But just in case anybody's wondering if she's at all crazy and wild, like that. Let's see, that's from her just now. That's an old wound from her. So, over here I've got a couple as well. So, yeah, she can be a little bit on the crazy side, but she's getting so much better. It's not that she doesn't have to be corrected, but when we correct her, she listens. Huh. When we correct you, you listen. What you got? What you got? It's in there. Okay, what else is in there? What else is in there? There's more. There's more. She's looking at me like, what? I should be able to get him by now. There's one loose mouse and then two that are inside a paper towel. She's going to have it stuck on her head. Oh, she's got it stuck on her head. What? Get that egg. Hi, honey. Hi, honey bunches. Good girl. What you got? You got an egg? Oh, no, you can't. Did you just lick the camera? Did you just lick the camera? What you doing? I said you're a good girl. I said you're a good girl. You love the dirty laundry, don't you? Don't you?